First daycare and formula, no shortage of expenses for new parents in Glenpool. But after an unexpected bill wouldn't go away, the couple called 2 News problem solver Pete Knutson for help.
The day little Alina was born, her mom says, was the day heaven opened.
She is just such a blessing. We're so fortunate to have her.
And Alina is the reason Jennifer and her husband had to change their cell phone service.
And in an emergent situation, when she's sick, we can't have a service we can't rely on.
Jennifer says they signed up with T-Mobile after moving to the Tulsa area several months ago.
We had dropped calls, missed calls, we had no service, just a whole gamut of issues.
And before Alina was born, Jennifer says they worked with T-Mobile for all those months to resolve the issues.
And that was all fine and dandy until we had our newborn little girl. And one time she was pretty sick, and we tried to call out to the physician, and we could not get a signal to call out.
Eventually, Jennifer says she was told by a customer service rep they could cancel without penalty. But when they did, they were hit with a $900 bill for early cancellation.
And we were shocked.
As they disputed the bill, they received this collection notice.
My husband and I figured it out. It was about a year worth of diapers. That could be $900 or so.
Finally, Jennifer contacted the 2 News problem solvers, and we got in touch with T-Mobile. A rep researched the situation, and Jennifer quickly found out the company was zeroing out their account balance, clearing their credit report, and stopping the collection calls.
And we couldn't be more happy. It was just amazing.
Freeing up that $900 to keep this little angel in diapers. Pete Knutson, 2 News works for you.
When dealing with similar situations, be sure to write down the names and ID numbers of customer service reps. Even better, ask for an email while you're on the phone so you can get promises in writing.